Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are talking about curbside deals. So you are going to be ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, and it's going to be prepared for you at the store. You're going to drive to the store and get it at the photo counter, and that is known as a curbside pickup. Now, if you are a shopper that prefers to do stuff in store, you want to see what you're buying, and you're just an old school shopper, watch yesterday's video. I have a bunch of different deals prepared for you, and that is the one that you want to watch because you're shopping in store. In store only, you're going to get these, which are the register rewards, and for the curbside, we're getting back Walgreens cash for some of these promotions. Without further ado, let's jump into these deals. The first one is deal number 1. You need your best friend loaded, which is an 8-back when you spend $40. This is also of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely the deal you wish to do. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these Dove's body wash for $14. They're $7 each. We have this digital coupon, which is a $5 off of 2, so make sure you have it loaded. And the next item that we're going to be grabbing in our basket is 2 of the Clairol Nice and Easy hair dyes for $9.29 a pop. I had to get 2 different colors because they didn't have much at my store. And then we're going to load this guy, which is an $8.99 off of 2. And then adding to the basket, we're going to get one of the more expensive Bic disposable razors and then 2 of the cheapies. They're on a promotion to buy 3, get $3 back in Walgreens cash. And load this $4 digital coupon. Just to show you the pretty little chorus line of the math, we have $4 off for Bic, $8.99 off for Clairol, a $5 off for the Dove, and then $2.46 for using the code WAG10. And I purposefully used that one so it wouldn't dip our total below $40. And I'll show you that in a second. So the overall basket is $42.55. WAG10 is taking $2.46 off. So we're still at that $40 mark. Curbside pickup is free. We have $2.41 in tax and $17.99 in digital coupons melting off. With your debit card, spend $24.51 as you're using that booster of spend 40 to get back 8, and you're getting back $20. So it makes this basket just like absolute magic. I think it's like 30 cents per product. Now, if you are trying to do the Fetch Rewards rebate on the Dove men's body wash, obviously opt for that one instead of the ladies body wash. Fetch is giving back 4,000 points for the purchase of 15, so you'd be $1 short. You need something else cheaper to grab over at Walgreens. But yeah, just to note that if you wanted to switch it up, you can also do it that way. Okay, so the next deal that I have prepared for you, you're going to need your best friend loaded again, which is the 8-back when you spend $40. Pick and choose which deal you want to do because this is of a one-time use, this booster. We have a promotion on vitamins to spend $35, get back 7. So I'm going to try and grab a basket with $40 of vitamins to earn both of those boosters and to get $15 back. Let's see if I'm successful. I have a suspicion I might be. We're going to grab 2 of the VitaFusion vitamins. This is a 150 count vitamin. So you have 2 of these. That's probably supplements for half a year or a year, depending how many you take. BOGO 50% off, so that's $23.98. Load this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2. If you wanted to get like 1 adult and 1 kids, I think the kids vitamins are also tracking for the spend 35, get back 7, but double, triple check that. The Nature's Bounty are on a buy one, get one free promotion, so 2 of them is $9.99. Double, triple check your ShopKick app in case you might have a rebate for that. I don't, but it might be more money coming back for you, but I don't have it. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $3.50 off of the 1, so you'll be able to qualify for that. And then also we have these Walgreens generic vitamins at 50% off. So I just tossed 2 of them in there for $9. Why not? So just to show you the course line here, $3.50, WAG10, $2.95 off, and then $10 for the VitaFusion. And then the little course line here at $42.97, $2.95 coming off with WAG10. So I'm still at that $40 threshold. That should work. free curbside pickup, no tax here in Michigan on vitamins, and $13.50 off in digital coupons. So you're going to pay $26.52 with your debit card and then get back $15.78. Now, if your Shopkick app is giving back an extra 800 points or something like that, that's a couple dollars more for the Nature's Bounty. So double, triple check. You're going to need a receipt, but that could be an extra something for you. I'm just throwing this one into a basket in case some of you are just diehards for the Listerine. There's a new product called Clinical Solutions. It's in these fancy dancy bottles, like it looks like a hologram or something like that. $10.99. Buy two, get back $2 in Walgreens cash. The word buy is in there, so yes, you can roll your Walgreens cash for this one. We're going to have this guy loaded, which is a $3 off. And I also had another $2 coupon, I believe, that I had loaded. So very generous coupons for this specific product. $3 coming off, $2 coming off, WAG 10 taking another $1.42 off. So the overall basket is $19.23, WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax, and $5 in digitals coming off. If you wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.88, you would get your $2.19 back. This obviously is a very large portion of a basket. So if you wanted to put this in a spend 40, get back 8, and you love Listerine, like make that deal happen. If you just wanted to try this product and roll $10 in Walgreens cash, an alternative deal. The final deal that I have prepared for you is just a hodgepodge of items. The first is this eye wash for $5.99 by Bausch & Lomb. Apologies in advance if I butchered that one. We have two digital coupons, a $3 off Walgreens coupon and a $3 off manufacturer. Because the product's $5.99, that's a dollar discrepancy. So curbside, it'll reduce down the cost of the coupon down to $2.99. However, in store, the second coupon will not come off. So keep that in your back pocket. Product that we're grabbing is a big box of the Playtex for $11.99. Like this video if you remember the golden era of couponing when we used to get these for free every other week at Target. $4.50 digital coupon. Make sure you have that loaded. This is one product they used to give away like way back in the day. And then $3.99 for these red vines, a big bag of them. We have a $1 digital coupon, so I thought this would be a fun item to throw in if you needed a little snack or if you get hangry when you go couponing. I hear you. And then the final item to get the basket to right to $10, we're going to throw in one of these toilet papers for 79 cents. Now, just to show you what's coming off, Red Vine, $2.99 for the IVC coupon, and then another $3 at the bottom for the eye relief. So just know that Aunt Rach has an idea here how that works. $4.50 for the Playtex, and WAG 10 taking $1.13 off. So this basket, $22.76. After all that magic, it's down to $10.36. If you may have $10 in Walgreens cash, and if you wish to use it, go for it and then pay 36 cents for this basket of Make these deals happen, guys, right till the 27th of April. And who doesn't like to save money on these bread and butter items? We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.